This is the Stratolaunch. It's the world's largest aircraft. Its wingspan is greater than the length of an American football field. The guy filming this video even claims that the camera does it zero justice, so I recommend looking at the other regular sized commercial plane flying next to it. Point Nemo, officially known as the Pole of Inaccessibility, is the spot that is farthest away from any other land. There's no land within 1,000 miles of it. Knowing this, and knowing the fact that the International Space Station orbits the Earth at a height of 254 miles, if you were on a boat at Point Nemo by yourself, there would be specific times during the day that the astronauts on the space station are actually the people that are closest to you, excluding other boats that may be closer. This is the world's most entertained bird. This structural bolt is about to collide with the watermelon just to show you how useful a hard hat is. There, from 20 feet, it totally rips into the watermelon. However, with a hard hat, it doesn't at all. And now you'll see from 30 feet. These suits were used for hunting bears in Siberia during the 1800s. The prickly points on them stopped bears from attacking people. This is the Mimosa pudica, aka the Touch Me Not plant. This is what interlaced housing in Singapore looks like. It's beautiful. This is a giant marionette. He looks a lot like the Cyclops from the SpongeBob movie. This is a picture of a violin, and it looks a lot like the inside of a music hall. This bird knows what the 5-second rule is. And this bird is just radical. This is a 3D scanner that allows objects to be replicated and reprinted without damage. This is how headaches used to be treated. I don't know if it was the most effective way, but they clearly had a reason for it. This is a baby kestrel with a broken leg. Make sure to say "get well soon" in the comments.